Fire TV Cube is the only streaming media player that lets you control your compatible cable and satellite box. Over-the-air HD antenna support is coming soon. The Alexa voice remote is also included for those times you want to control your TV without making a sound. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is an excellent smart TV box, supporting a wide selection of apps and services, video and audio standards, and with snappy, lag-free performance. It is arguably one of the best smart TV boxes available. But it is not a good smart speaker. The Fire TV Cube 2019 has more storage, memory, and a faster processor than the Fire TV Stick 4K. Plus an echo experience with hands-free voice control. While all Fire TVs are able to turn the TV on through HDMI SEC, at least until Amazon recently broke it for some models. The Fire TV Cube will also simultaneously turn on your AV receiver or soundbar when you press the home button. At its best, Amazon's Fire TV Cube feels like the future. With this $120 streaming box, which has built-in microphones for Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, you can launch videos, tune to live TV channels, play music, and control your TV's volume without ever touching a remote control. The difference isn't night and day, but the Apple device offers slightly sharper edges and smoother motion. Neither device offers 4K Blu-ray levels of detail, but the Apple TV 4K gets a little bit closer than the Amazon Fire TV Cube. Amazon has done a fine job, but the Apple 4K TV is the better performer. Amazon has dropped the second-gen Fire TV box from the Fire TV family banner that appears at the top of product pages for Fire TV devices. The Fire TV Stick and Fire TV Edition television remain, but replacing the Fire TV Plus HD antenna bundle is a new bundle for the Fire TV Edition television with an HD antenna. Difference between Amazon Fire Stick and Amazon Fire TV Cube is, when it comes to other features, though, the Fire TV Stick 4K and 2019 Fire TV Cube now both support Dolby Vision for HDR. That's a big deal if you just have to have Fire TV and Alexa built into the same box. But it comes at a pretty big premium, $119, versus $49 for the Fire TV Stick 4K. There are no monthly fees associated with the Amazon Fire Stick. All you need to pay for is the device itself. However, if you have apps that have their own subscription costs, you will have to pay monthly fees for those. The Fire TV Cube now supports calling, voice messaging, and the drop-in feature. Amazon's Fire TV Cube gains some new Alexa smarts. You should now be able to call, send voice messages, and drop in on other Alexa devices straight from your Fire TV Cube. The Apple TV app is now available on the second-gen Amazon Fire TV Cube and third